10 codes, 10-0 caution, 10-1 receiving poorly, 10-2 signal good, loud, clear copy, 10-3 slowly slow down, 10-4 acknowledge, okay, positive Roger, 10-5 relay message, advise and notify, 10-6 PC, standing by unless urgent, 10-7 sign off, 10-8 monitoring, 10-9 please repeat, 10-9 please repeat one more time, 10-10 over and out, no more traffic, 10-11 ask, inquire, and query, 10-12 stand by and wait, 10-13 road and weather condition, 10-14 gate take up, gate take pick up and buy, 10-15 answer, feedback, response and reply, 10-16 problem trouble, 10-17 please request, 10-18 come back, 10-18 list log and record, 10-19 come back, go back and return, 10-20 area location. That's all of the 10 codes. First year criminology payroll, and that's all for the 10 codes.